All right, welcome back. So, if I had mentioned earlier, this is what we want to achieve. Okay, at the end of the day, we want to get all the way here, and then I said I will start from this place. Okay, so we have done this already. Let's get back to the screen. So instead of making this, I'll change it to profile. If you look at the design we have, I run. Sorry, that's my screen. Okay, let me do my screen a bit closer. So you have profile at the top here. Okay. So we are a step closer. Let's come here. What's the next thing we want to add? This. If you look at the whole screen from top to down, like this should be able to scroll. Okay. And then if you arrange things vertically this way, then you need to use what you call a column. Okay. So what I'll do is that, and then if you look at everything, there's some spacing around everything, like at the edge here as well. So what I'll do is one, I'll have a container, and then I'll have, let's say I have a single scroll and I have a container, I have a column inside it so that I can stack all these things inside. So let's just first go on by, instead of this container, okay, let me just have a single scroll, okay, and then that's the parent one. Then it can take only one child, okay. Let me just make the child a container for now. I'm making it a container because I want to be able to give some spacing around it, okay. And then the child of this container will now be a column, okay. And then we have this, and now if you look at it, I mentioned earlier on there's a bit of spacing around everything, okay. So let me give some spacing, and I'll do that by giving a padding, so edge padding, and then I'll give all, and I'll give some padding of, let's say, 16. If we go ahead and realize this doesn't work, we'll come back and come and change it as well. So I add a constant modifier to take away that. Now, and this, we can add children to this column now, okay. And then if you look at our design, the first thing here is this image view, okay, this image view at the top here. So let's go back, and then for now, first let's add an icon, and then we can change it to an image later, okay. So icon dot, let's say, let me just say user, okay, file user, and then we can give it a size, and let's just see how it looks out, 100, okay. And let's do this, and then just for the purpose of demonstration, let's run this, and then when we come here, we should, let me just see why we are not seeing our view, okay. And then I'm probably sure any reason we are not seeing our view. Let me just give this background of white for now, just so we can see what's going on. Okay, so you see this is dark already, so it's not able to show clearly, okay. That's the problem we had, okay. So this is how we are going to stack things all the way in there, this everything in this section. So let's start by adding an image, actual image, okay. So let me say image, and then we are going to add the image from an asset, and then we are going to give it a name, okay. And then we'll now give the image a height, let's say 80 for now, and then we are going to give the image a width, okay, another 80 for now, okay. So we're going to do it now. The image, to add an image, you need to get the image from somewhere, and then to add an image, let's go and download an image. Let's just say let's just look for some beautiful girl, and then we just look for an image that's like that, okay. So let me say I use this picture for now, and then let me just crop this image, okay, and then save to desktop, okay. I come to my desktop, this is the image, okay. Let me say I'll rename it to profile, and then all you need to do is to get this image to your project, all right. So let me just try and get this image